Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys a new vendor that I found for Indian hair. Now I haven't decided if I want to use this new vendor yet. I am just trying them out, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the hair that I literally just got today. So I ordered some curly bundles, some wavy bundles, and some curly lace closures. They didn't have any lace frontals at the moment, so I'll have to check that out next, but they did send me some lace closures, so I'm excited to see them. So we're gonna be seeing this hair together. All right, so these are, the hair feels really good and really thick. This is a 14-inch raw Indian curly, two bundles of 14-inch raw Indian curly straight out the package. I'm definitely gonna have to show you guys how it looks when it's washed and air dried. Okay, the hair smells really good. It's not like anything wrong with it. It smells really good, but this is what it looks like. These are two bundles of 14-inch raw Indian curly. Now I do not sell my vendors online, but I do provide wholesale to some, hairstylists or whoever wants to sell hair. And if you would like to order a sample order, the only thing I can do is suggest that you go to my website and purchase the hair individually, because I do not provide wholesale prices for individual bundles, only for if you purchase 10 bundles or more. So if you want the wholesale information and prices, then you need to email me, because that's the only way I send out my prices is through email currently for wholesale. Okay, don't DM me on Instagram, don't message me on YouTube, email me, and then me or my husband will send that out to you ASAP. People be blowing me up all day, and I have my own clients that I have to deal with on a daily basis, so I might not get back to your DM right away, or may not see it amongst everybody else's messages. So email is the fastest way. I check it throughout the day. My husband checks it all the time. We're always on it. So these are 14 inches of curly. Let's see what else I got. And I mainly got whatever they were able to ship out like immediately, because I didn't really want to wait. I'm impatient. So I got what they were able to ship out immediately. So let's see. This, this is 12-inch. This is a 12-inch Indian curly. They're so cute. They're so small and cute. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to make some curly wigs for everyone. And this hair is amazing. Running my hands right through it, very thick. They provide a lot of hair in their bundles. You guys know when you buy 12-inch bundles, you really only need 2 for a full look. Maybe a lace closure or a lace frontal if you like lace, but if you're only leaving your hair out, then you only need 2. You only need 2. What else do I got? So let's see, I have some wavy hair. This is the wavy. Those were the only curly hair that I was able to get, so I just got those. But this is wavy. Let's see, this is 16-inch wavy and an 18-inch wavy. This is the 16, this is the 18. Very beautiful, very bouncy. Run my fingers right through it. I will wash these as well, just to be sure that everything works out really good. When you are testing hair vendors, and I'm going to do a video on that as well. When you are testing hair vendors, make sure you guys do your tests. So what I do when I get a new vendor of hair, I take the hair, I run my fingers through it, I wash the hair, I comb it out to be sure that there's nothing wrong with it. open up the bundles really well, check that there's, you know, no lice, no nits or anything in the actual hair, because this is raw hair, you know, from somebody's head. So you want to make sure that it is absolutely clean. You want to make sure that when you wash it and let it air dry, that it goes back to its natural state. You also want to make sure that when you wear the hair, because I will be wearing this hair, you want to make sure that the hair does not tangle. Tangling with raw hair, it mainly means that the cuticles are not aligned the correct way when they put it on the weft. Or it may mean that there's too many split ends on the hair, and you know, they did not send you hair that was, I guess you could say, well taken care of. So definitely be sure that you guys test it out. So I'll wear the hair for a long period of time, and I'll color the hair if I need to. I may, if I'm not the one testing out the hair, then I will have like my sisters or someone test it out for me at a, you know, discounted or cheaper price or whatever the case is, and they will give me an honest review. And I only really do this to people that have worn my raw hair before, and they know how it needs to be and how it needs to act on a daily basis. So that's what I do. And then once the trial and error process is over for any vendor that you are picking, then you can make the final decision on if it is willing or if it is worth being sold by you. So definitely when you're ordering raw hair, you take a big risk on ordering a ton of it. So if you can just place like this order, it wasn't a lot of hair, so the price wasn't as low as I possibly could have got it, which is fine. I have no problem with that. I take the risk. I'll wear the hair. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. That's the kind of hair that this vendor sells, and I'm, you know, if I don't work with them, then I don't work with them. But I will be testing out this hair, the curly and the wavy, and I may be able to add this raw vendor onto my vendors that I order from, because I love to have multiple. I have 2 raw Indian hair vendors that I order from now, but only one of those vendors that I have already, I trust the lace that they send me, and they make the lace closures and frontals the best out of them both. So I order bundles from both of them because the hair quality is absolutely amazing, but I only order lace from one of my vendors because they make it perfectly, the small knots and the hair being aligned the right way, and no tangling, not a lot of shedding, and the lace is really good, really thin. That's really the only reason why I order lace from them and not my other vendor. So this is, what else do I got? Let me show you guys the lace. What did I order? I ordered 2 curly lace closures, and she only had 4x4, which I don't like, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not, you know, testing it out for the size of the lace. I'm testing it out for the quality of the lace and the quality of the hair. So this is transparent lace that they send me, and it's only a 4x4 closure. Now these look a little loose to be raw Indian curly, but of course, you know, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna, you know, you never know until you wash it. So I will wash these. The lace feels really good. Everything is aligned the right way. Let me see. The knots are really good. They're not really big or anything like that. This is what it looks like. It's only a 4x4. So I'm trying to debate on what kind of looks I'm going to do with this 4x4. Maybe I can do like a full curly bang or something like that, to where, you know, the parting of the lace won't matter. So maybe that's what I'll do. So this is a 4x4 lace closure, and it mainly only goes from here to here on my forehead. So that's the parting area for this. The hairline, whoops, the hairline is a little bit dense, so it will need to be tweezed out. Like my other Indian hair vendor, they do leave it a little light up here. It's not as dense in the front, but this is okay. It's still not that bad. And even this part right here where these knots are super freaking small, you guys. Super freaking small knots. Shouldn't have a problem bleaching the knots, but I will definitely do that to test it out. Bleach the knots, color the hair, make sure the hair colors properly. So that is my Indian hair vendor that I am going to be trying out next, and I am really happy about it. The hair is amazing so far, and I can't wait to order maybe some longer curly hair from them and see what their quality is like for that as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be coming out with some more videos to show you guys things that I get for my business and things like that. Try to, you know, show you guys everything possible because I want to be as transparent as I can. And if anybody has any questions, if they want me to send them pictures of what I have available that I can ship out as soon as possible, do not hesitate to email me, you know, ask me as soon as possible. That way I can get those pictures and things to you, so then you know what you are going to be getting. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate all your guys' support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.